Here's the secret to having the best kitchen remodeling project ever. Hello, homeowners in northeastern Illinois and southwestern Michigan. Kitchen remodeling projects can be both exciting and stressful. People worry about getting everything they want in their budget. I know how it feels. I am Danny Glunz, and I've been helping people get the kitchen of their dreams for over 3 decades now. Cabinetry is often the biggest cost, and it always bothered me when clients had to compromise on quality, fixtures, or appliances to get great cabinets. Even worse, some people sacrifice quality and functionality of the cabinetry, when cabinets often stay in a kitchen longer than the appliances. It took a while, but I found a way to cut out the compromise. For almost 10 years, I've been buying cabinets directly from one of the highest quality semi-custom manufacturers in the United States. No middlemen, no retail store, no massive markup to cover overhead and operating costs. We sell 6 square cabinets at contractor prices. These cabinets are solid wood doors, drawers, and face frames, plywood construction boxes with fully trapped assembly for strength and durability, 3/8-inch full cabinet height plywood backs, and dovetailed hardwood drawers. There's more, but we don't have time to list every advantage of these cabinets. This is quality and affordability together, making 6 square cabinets some of the best, most accessible cabinetry on the market. In apples-to-apples comparisons, our prices cannot be beat, and you'll get the measuring and design services for free. Our biggest problem? People don't always believe it. You just won't know until you give us a chance to prove that we can save you money. In apples-to-apples comparisons, we've seen savings of up to 50%. We even beat flat box and big box store prices for their similar cabinets, even though 6 square is better. By blending traditional stock cabinetry with many features common to only custom-built cabinets, we provide true value and functionality to your home. The many custom modifications, specialty cabinets, storage options, and decor parts mean cabinets can be tailored for your space. You deserve the best cabinets, and you want the best prices. Now you can have both, whether you're working on your own or with a contractor. We want to be your cabinet supplier of choice. We start with a design and you end up with the dream. Call Danny at 630-461-4534 in Illinois, Danny at 902-530-9953 in Michigan, or visit our website at www.hdglunz.com.